Why too much debt will hinder your financial success? It's easy to pile up debt, but it takes forever to pay it off. In fact, it can feel downright impossible at times. However, not every debt is a bad debt. There are good debts and, of course, bad debts. So, what is a bad debt? A bad debt is any form of debt that will negatively affect your financial success. This could be money you borrow from a friend or family member, high interest credit card debt, or a car loan you can't afford. The problem with bad debt is that it's easy to get in, but very hard to get out. And if you're not careful, it can quickly derail your financial success. There are many reasons why people fall into bad debts, but the most common ones are pretty predictable. Overspending, incorrectly budgeting, and raising credit card bills are among the most common traps. These are all avoidable mistakes, but they're easy to make when you need to pay attention. And once you're in too deep, it can be very difficult to get out. That's why it's so important to be aware of the dangers of bad debt and take steps to avoid it in the first place. How will bad debt hinder your financial success? You may be wondering how bad debt can really hurt your financial success. After all, you may only borrow a small amount of money and make your payments on time. So what's the big deal? Are you looking forward to get out of your debt in 2023? Visit our website exoduscapital.com where you can watch hundreds of educational videos on investment and personal finance with a monthly subscription for only $49.99 per month. Click on the link in the description. Stop watching Netflix and start watching Exodus Capital.